Hello there, my name is Ollie from Anchor Vans, and today I have for you the 2021 Vauxhall Vivaro. This is a long wheelbase, 6-doored medium van, coming to you in a lovely white with 39,000 miles upon the clock. Now this does come with cruise control, hands-free cooling and voice assist, along with Bluetooth, parking sensors, air conditioning, radio, etc. If I do just open up the passenger door, you can see we do have 3 part leather seats, a 6-speed manual transmission. Cruise control, like I mentioned earlier, can be controlled just behind the steering wheel there. Connectivity, etc. and radio up on the screen. And just to show you the load area in the back, this does come with a ply-lined interior with cargo rings to tighten any load you may want to carry. And I will just show you the load area again from the barn doors at the back. So if I do just open this up, you can also see that we do have a rather pristine bulkhead with no visible dents or scratches upon it, suggesting the previous owner of this did only use the vehicle for light loads. Now, if you would like to find out more about this specific Vauxhall Vivaro, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk, for more information, or you can head down to our site in Padworth, just outside of Reading, to find out more about this vehicle, although one's very similar. Thank you very much.